Hey friends, in this video we'll learn how you can earn on YouTube by different ways, right? So we are all aware that there is a monetization criteria for YouTube. You have to do 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. But once you are done with that, what are the different ways in which you can earn on YouTube? Now, ads are one of the way wherein you get revenue for part of revenue uh, which your ads generate, right? The watch page ads are the ones which appear during your videos on the YouTube homepage, and you get a part of that revenue. The second is the short feed ads, which are basically ads which are displayed in between the shorts of on YouTube, and you get a percentage of the revenue which is generated by it. Now, next are the revenue models which are exclusively for you, right? First is the memberships. Now, memberships means basically you are creating a separate membership for your viewers, wherein you give them something extra, right? So yesterday only I have submitted and uh, submitted my membership plans to the YouTube channel, and it has got accepted, wherein I have created two levels of memberships wherein my members will get extra perks. This channel is pertaining to travel, podcast and vlogs, so I have created memberships and I will deep dive into that in a detailed video on this. But memberships are ways to engage your top viewers for more additional stuff, right? So in that way you can earn a bit of more revenue, and this will be monthly, right? So this is fixed revenue which you can earn monthly once people subscribe to your channel and become part of the membership of your channel. The fourth is supers. Now supers is something wherein if you are someone who deals into live streaming and events on YouTube. Now, this is where you can use these features to earn more out of it. You can enable super chat, super stickers, super thanks, which are like stickers or call outs to your members, and they can purchase this from your chat and you get paid for it, right? So they can post some stickers, they can post thanks as a part of uh, maybe gratitude for what content you are given to them, some information or value you are given to them via videos, and you earn for those, right? They purchase this stickers and thanks and super chat, and you get paid for it. So that is one way. The next is brand connect, wherein brands reach out to you and you get in touch with them for sponsoring or promoting their video, right? And that is purely a brand deal wherein you can set your prices and you negotiate and you earn out of it. The next is shopping. While I will deep dive into each of this in coming videos, in shopping, basically you can do two things. One is you can set up your own store. If you have your own merchandise, you can set up, and this is only applicable when you're 10,000 or more subscribers, not only 1,000. But you can just create a free website via any of this and link it, and this will appear along with your videos for all the videos on your channel, right? So you can set up a store via any of the e-commerce partner YouTube has tied up with. That is option one. And each country has some partners, affiliate partners they have tied up with. In India, it is Flipkart and Mintra. And basically, you can tag the products which you are showcasing in your video, and you get commission if anyone purchases or clicks on those links and purchases anything. I will deep dive into this in another separate video, how you go about it. But this is another way wherein you earn basis anyone clicking on your links of products of your affiliate partners. The last is Player for Education, which was recently launched, wherein if you are having any educational content, like this one is a tutorial which I'm doing, right? If you are having any educational content and if it is being utilized by some college or institution as a part of their curriculum or advertisement, you get paid for it, right? So this is a new revenue stream which was launched by YouTube. And very important to note, in my journey in the last 3 years, I have seen YouTube coming up with new revenue models to help the creators earn more out of their content, right? So every year at least they launch one more revenue stream. So these are the default revenue streams by which you can earn once you become a YouTube partner on their program. And apart from this, there are other revenue models also which you can explore by becoming an affiliate partner. Like I am into travel, and I have an affiliate partner for many travel platforms. I'll deep dive into that in another video, but that is another revenue model where you don't require any subscribers or monetization criteria from YouTube, but you can promote the products in your videos and earn a commission out of it, right? So this was an overall snapshot of how you can earn via your YouTube channel, and hope it helps. If you have any queries, do drop a comment and like and share the video. subscribe to our channel, and keep watching for more content on YouTube.